I want to talk about my New Year's resolution for 2019. And yeah, here's a bit of backstory. About a month ago, I watched Bobby Misner's video called Life of a Billionaire's Son. And yeah, at first, my initial reaction was something like this. Come on, he's so lucky. What a spoiled piece of shit. Anyways, after a while I came to realize that he was actually very admirable in some senses, because he actually was pretty brave for putting his life out for people to criticize, and a lot of people called him spoiled and things like that. So yeah, anyways, I really find his self-esteem and self-confidence very admirable, and I really hope that next year I'll be able to just get some more self-esteem and self-confidence just by flying, doing FPV, making more vlogs. I found that my speaking ability has become a lot better after that, and yeah. Anyways, thanks Bobby for making, or Robert for making that video to inspire me, and thank you viewers for watching my vlog. And if you're up for a good next year of video making, feel free to subscribe, I guess. And yeah, I guess that's it. Thanks.